Okay, so hi YouTubers, another part, and well, let's just say we're almost there. Hopefully, I wouldn't really say almost, but whenever there's a hymn, it always means that there's a interesting way there. Oh yeah, and I'm also gonna have to close this door.
Pause it then.
Okay.
Why don't you pause it?
Okay. Oh yeah, I'll just do that. Yeah. So yeah, it's fine anyways. It's probably gonna take... Yeah, that'll probably be much easier that way. So yeah,
So yeah.
Okay, so that's good. And now we're finally back. So I already missed everything. Molly's here, but we're focused on this, so you know.
Oh, I see.
That piece was blocking it, so we'd have to... From there, we could take that apart. And then, of course, from there... And that's how you do it. Something's preventing it. Another screw. Okay, so how many screws do we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5... 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Minus this one and this one. And these ones right here. And then... It looks almost totally different in the inside. Something is preventing it. Oh yeah, that's the back area. So...
Oh.
Oh, okay. Well, it looks interesting, to say the most. Oh, you forget. Oh yeah, that area. Okay. Okay, so we got it up and running. It looks like. It seems... It looks totally interesting.
Okay.
And then that must be where the...
Make sure to get all that on you. Sure.
Okay, let me show you.
So
this was where... This untrust that was where... Over here... There's some drawings on here. It's not anything... Okay, so we're on to something, I guess. It must be... Okay, so from what I can tell, ambitious projects do come with taking apart various stuff. Though obviously knowing me, this should be doing good for every reason possible. I mean, yeah, we'll just have to make do with what we have, especially now. Yeah, Okay, let's see. Well, we know that this piece right here needs to go there, somewhere around there. So yeah, judging from the, it goes around the. It probably goes around the. It depends really. The model says SWSR. If you can look right over there. Yep, SWSR.
I'll go take some pictures. I'm gonna wash my hands.
Okay, so this is what we've got so far. It's probably what we'll ever get for right now. But it honestly does look really interesting. With an idea so interesting and an idea so easily, this is an SWS model. And you can tell that there's a lot of coloring, which means someone must have taken this apart and done some colors to maybe like pinpoint how it is. But yeah, so I guess it's fine for right and all and everything. But yeah, this will be the final piece to put it back in. So yeah, that just makes things so easier. And yeah, it just looks interesting to say the most. And yeah, I guess it's just fun and everything. I mean, it does end up being rather interesting, and for granted, it has its greatness. So yeah, that then the water would clean off most of the. Yeah, I'm sure that cleans off most of it. So I'm trusting now we can finally use that. If I'm right, that is.
So, well, you'll want to get your picture from this side right now.
Like, yeah, all this is on video, so I should have some. Just what it looks like.
Here's your bad belt here that's basically falling apart.
Wait, here, let me see. Can
You won't
push it this way. Oh, that's the bad belt. Okay.
And then there's one here that's completely destroyed, and I'm not even sure where it goes. So that'll be interesting. It must have gone somewhere interesting.
Well, this one's working right here, right? This one, this one right there.
No, that one doesn't work. I wonder where this one goes.
Yeah, I do wonder. So that was the problem. So okay, so we finally found the problem.
Perhaps. Yeah, that seems probable. That looks like a.
Yeah, that does. If that, yeah. So from what we're looking at, we're missing one cable that isn't working, and two.
Surely this longer one is supposed to replace that one.
So
And the
we
shorter
need.
one's supposed to replace that one. You can get your picture of your little belts.
Okay, so the one that's on the one that's the little one goes right over here. The large one goes somewhere in between here. That's how it works. Then we put it all back together, and then everything will work.
Yeah, that's optimistic.
Well, not everything. We still need the battery to work in order for it to do actual good stuff. And from the looks of it, it looks as if though. No, wait, I think I can see it coming down from here. Oh, wait, it goes from down here. Right over here.
Mm-hmm.
That's where the little belt goes from there. We already know where the large one goes. So, naturally, we have to put both belts in.
You can stop it.